Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Queen of Pentacles. Virgo, this is your current energy. Five of Swords. This is your partner's current energy. Okay. Virgo, you are being somebody who has everything in life, okay, in terms of finances, in terms of materialistic things, okay. You are queen, okay. Even if you are male, it means that you have the feminine qualities within you, okay. You are humble, you are kind, you are down to earth, you are very empathic, correct. And you are somebody who is fortunate, okay. Universe has blessed you with so many uh, blessings, okay. But somewhere in your heart, somewhere in your mind, you feel alone, you feel aloof, you feel, even though I am a queen, even though I am the provider, I am the nurturer, but still I also need somebody to look after me. I also need somebody with whom I can share my heart, my thoughts, my feelings. Okay. Perhaps at some point of time in life you feel discouraged, you feel ignored, you feel empty. Okay. You feel, what if, it doesn't matter, how try I hard to give myself to the people, but at some point of time they misuse me, okay. They cheat on me, they take me for granted. So somewhere in your heart you feel aloof, you feel alone, okay. You feel um, hurt, okay. So you feel that it's okay, if this is my destiny, I should be alone, I should be, completely, I should cut all my connections, okay. So something is there in your heart and mind which bothers you time and again, which makes you feel alone, which makes you feel aloof, which makes you feel that you are not good enough. But that's not the case. That is not the case. Perhaps you are somebody who is, perhaps divine has sent you to share or spread love and light, okay, within the community, within the society, within your family, within your friends, okay. So do not think negative about yourself, all right. Okay. On the other hand, Five of Swords. This is your partner's current energy. Virgo, I feel that your person has achieved something in life, okay. They have won some battle, okay. They were being somebody who was going through tough time in life. Now they have achieved success on that particular project or on that particular situation. So whatever their enemies were, they have already given up in front of them. And this is your person. This is your person who is smiling and who is seeing how their enemies are, stepping back, or moving out from this war zone, okay. Along with that, I feel that your person has so many emotions. This person is not somebody who doesn't have emotions. This person has emotions, okay. Perhaps they are now looking at you, perhaps they are seeing you, okay. They have done their part, they have achieved a success, they have, they have won this battle. Now they are looking at you, okay. Perhaps you guys were not in talking terms, perhaps there was no communication between you and them, okay. Anything could be happened. So now I feel that they are looking at you and they have emotions for you, they have emotions for you, all right. But all we need to see is when they are going to take action towards you, all right. Now let's see, Virgo, how you see them and feel about them, and how they see and feel about you. Three of Cups, Eight of Cups. So Virgo, you see them and feel about them with this Three of Cups. You feel, I mean, you see them as somebody who is very, very social, okay? You see this person as somebody who is very much into parties or, get-togethers or social gatherings and all that. Perhaps you see them as somebody who, want to cherish each and every moment of their life. Perhaps you see them as somebody who wants to live each and every moment of their life. Okay, you see them as somebody who is, giving a lot of attention to other people, or they are somebody who are the soul of the party, right? So with this Three of Cups, you see them and feel about them that they are the soul of a party. They are they have charisma, they have passion, they have personality. Okay, whenever they go in any kind of social gathering, they carry their own charisma, they carry their own uh, spark, right? Along with that, some of you guys, some of you people, Virgo, also feel about your person is that uh, you see them as somebody who is a very uh, somebody who is a player. Okay, you see them as somebody who is a big time flirt. Okay, this person, can go and talk to anyone. Okay, this person can go and you know mesmerize anyone. Okay, so that's how you see them and feel about them. On the other hand, Virgo, your person feels and thinks of see you and feels about you as Eight of Cups. Something is there in your heart and mind. I told you in the beginning of this reading, you feel alone, you feel aloof. So this person, your person, sees you as somebody who has given up on life, okay? Who has, you know, who does not want to see what other people are offering to you, okay? Okay, these are the emotions, okay? Perhaps you have been through so many I mean, you have been through so many bad relationships, okay? So now you feel that it's okay, it's nothing but a waste of time and energy and efforts, and I should move out from this particular zone, okay? And I cannot be here, I have to move out, I should move out, okay? I have to see so many other phases of the life, so it's better to move out from this particular zone. This is a negative zone for you. So they are seeing you as somebody who is trying to cut out from a particular situation or particular person or particular energies. All right, so you are being silent, you are being I told you, you are sitting here all alone, all aloof. You feel alone, you feel aloof, and you want to be in this energy. Okay, let's see what action you are taking for them and what action they are taking for you. What action you are taking towards them and what action they are taking towards you. Hermit, Nine of Pentacles. Virgo people, you are not taking any action towards this person. That is completely, I mean, with this Hermit card, it is clear that you are not taking any action, but it doesn't mean that you are not noticing anything. Okay, you are Virgo, you come from a earth sign. Okay, you have that tendency to over analysis each and everything. You have that tendency to over analysis each and every person. Okay, you are observing their action, you are observing their moves, you are observing how they talk, with whom they talk, okay, and what they talk, correct? So you are observing, you have little bit of ray of hope within your heart that okay, let's just let's just test this person also. Okay, so you are not doing anything great. Okay, you are not, your actions are not noticeable, but yes, you are observing, you are analyzing. Okay, you are in hermit mode. Perhaps you are dealing with another Virgo with this hermit card. So so you are taking your own time, you are taking your own um, I mean, you are taking your own time, you are giving enough time for this relationship, for this person, okay? Because you do not want to repeat the mistakes of your past relationships, or because you do not want to be or you do not want to see the bad experiences anymore, okay? On the other hand, with this Nine of Pentacle cards, Virgo, I feel that your person is also not taking any action towards you, okay? They are completely happy in their own okay, in their own energies, okay? They have everything in life. They have money, they have finances, they have a good home, okay? They have everything, whatever a person needs in a life, okay? So they are privileged one who has everything in life. At this point of time, this person is completely giving their all attention to their home, to their family, to their friends, and to their loved ones, okay? But I feel that they are missing you somewhere, okay? Somewhere deep down in their heart, they also feel alone, they also feel aloof, okay? Because this person doesn't have anyone around them. Similarly, as you don't have any other person in your life to share your good and bad times. Okay, so this person also doesn't have anyone to share their thoughts, okay, to share their point of views, okay, to share their good and bad experiences of life. Okay, so both of you guys are on a same page. That's what I'm seeing. Okay. Now let's see how you feel about, or how you feel in this relationship, and how they feel in this relationship. Knight of Cups, and how they feel in this relationship. We have Knight of Cups. So Virgo, you feel in this relationship that, okay, you know that somebody is coming into your life, you know that something is new, something is coming into your life, in terms of emotion, in terms of relationship, in terms of love, okay? But somewhere in your heart, or somewhere in your mind, you feel that why this person is still not yet come. I mean, why this person is taking so much time, okay? Perhaps you are seeing them from a distance, that okay, this person is has reached that at that point, but now what is stopping them, why they are not coming towards you? Okay, so you see them, or I mean, you feel in this relationship that okay, something is about to start in your relationship or into your love life. But yes, you also feel you also have so many questions in your mind, that why this person has stopped, why this person is not taking any action, why this person is not talking to me, or why this person is not being so you know why this person is not putting a lot of efforts in this relationship. So you have so many whys. On the other hand, your person is like completely confused at this point of time, okay? And when it comes to this relationship, they feel confused. They are somebody who doesn't know what they want in life, okay? I told you, they have everything, they have everything, okay? At this point of time, they are not sure what they want in life. Is it love, which what they required, or is it money, or is it fame, or is it finance, or is it power, or is it luxury, or material things? So they are being in a confused state of mind, okay? They are not getting what they want in life, so they are running here and there, but not getting any idea what they should do, okay? Or perhaps you guys are you guys must have spoken to each other, but still you feel they feel that no, I don't know, I'm not sure about this person, or I'm not sure about this relationship, or something like that. So all of they are completely confused. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential for Virgo. What's going to be the future potential for Virgo? Future potential for Virgo, please. Justice. We have Justice. Virgo, I feel that it should be you, or you need to be proactive in this relationship. Okay, you have to act like a magistrate or something like that. With this Justice card, it's you who need to break the ice. It's you who should break the ice first, okay? Because if you don't do anything in terms of in this relationship, if you will be in hermit mode, you will never get what you want in life, okay? So to get anything out of this relationship, you need to take action, and I feel that it's you who will be taking any action or any kind of action towards this person or towards this relationship, because you are somebody who is waiting for something in life, okay? But your person is like completely confused, they don't know what they want. So it should be your responsibility to bring, or to talk about this relationship, or it should be, and it will be your responsibility to break the ice. All right, that's what I'm seeing with this justice card. Now let's see how angels are helping you, or what angels are advising you at this point of time. It is up to you. See what I told you. It is completely up to you. Angels are also saying, if you want something in life, you have to break the ice. I told you the same thing, which angels are also saying. If you want it, then you have to take action, or if not, then don't do anything. So whatever you are going to get in life, it is completely up to you. That's the same message angels are also giving you. Okay. Now let's see, Virgo, what your person wants to tell you secretly, okay? So we'll take some handwritten love notes for Virgo. Okay. So handwritten love notes for Virgo people is, I cannot wait to be with you again. Virgo, it's you who need to take action, because your person is completely confused. They are not sure what they want. They are not aware what they want. What is their calling in life? They are not aware. So it's you who should break the ice. Your love is all I'll ever need. Okay. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. Perhaps you are going to be the one who is going to break the ice. You have changed my life for the better. You have to do this, because your person is confused, Virgo. Distance is a test to see how far love can travel. And the last message for Virgo people is, I am always by your side. Okay. So Virgo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. We have Virgo in this reading with this Hermit card. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Three of Cups, Knight of Cups, Eight of Cups and Seven of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Five of Swords. Okay, and some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Queen of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. All right. So Virgo, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.